Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. So, in the last class, we started indirect taxation, that is GST, where we saw how to create conditions, condition type, how to assign accounting keys to condition type, and how to create tax codes. Okay, so in the today's class, we are we are going to see how to create general ledgers and assigning general ledger to tax code and how to post the entry in SAP. So let's start. Go to the screen. SAP reference IMG. Sorry, for that we have to click here on FS00 T code for general ledgers. Okay, so here I have created under the duties and taxes. See, let these are under the duties and taxes. We have to create all these taxes like output IGST, output CGST, SGST, input IGST, input CGST, and SGST. So let me show you. See, this is balance sheet item under account group. It should be under duties and taxes. Short text. I have given input IGST 12%. Then in the control data section, you have to enter account currency, then balance in local currency as it is a balance sheet item. Okay. Then here we have to give the tax category. So this is input. Okay, so here we have to assign only input tax allowed. Okay, then sort key 001. Thereafter field status group, that is G041 tax office clearing account, and post automatically only. It is mandatory. Okay, so post automatically only and just save this. Okay, in the same way we have to do all these. We have to create all these things and do the same settings for all such accounts. I'll show you one more. Okay, again this is input CGST, then tax category only output tax, and this is same. Okay, thereafter I'll show you one output IGST. See, this is again balance sheet item under duties and taxes. Output tax, as I told you, it is levied on sales. Output IGST 12%, then control data balance account currency is INR, then tax category C. Here we have to select only output tax allowed. Okay, then sort key 001 as posting date, and then field status group and post automatically only. It is mandatory to tick here. Okay, and then save. Okay, and the next step is to assign general ledger account to tax code. For that, the code is OB40. Okay, it is advisable to go by T code so that it will give all the keys at one place. So my key is say input IGST tax FII. My chart of account is FIF2. Enter. See here we have to give the see here chart of account is this transaction key as we created. It is picking it up here. Then tax code M2. See tax code is M2 for sorry it is M1, right? We just delete this. Input CGST. See, input CGST M2 12505. It is M2 12505. Then go back. Input SGST. Input SGST. See, in the same way, output SGST tax. Okay, under the chart of account F502 and transaction is FSO. See, transaction is FSO. And key is F2. Sorry, for IGST output, key is F1 12501. See, for this, first of all, we have to go to posting keys, that is 40 and 50. Thereafter, click on accounts. Then give here tax code. In my case, it is F1 and account, the general ledger account what we have created. Okay, here we have to assign this general ledger account to tax code and then save this. Okay, then suppose our output CGS SGST tax. For that we have to go to posting keys, then 40 and 50. Thereafter go to accounts, then tax code is F2 and allot general ledger account to it 12503. Okay, sorry. Okay, I hope you understand this. Thereafter we have to see one more setting, assigning rates to non-taxable transaction. For that we have to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then financial accounting, global settings, tax on sales and purchases, see, assign tax codes for non-taxable transaction and click here. Here, what we have created here, zero rate tax, okay, for IGST output, for output tax and input tax. For output, it is F0 and for input, it is M0. Okay, just search your company code F502, enter. See, for input, it is M0 and for output, it is F0. We have to assign here, then save it, go back. Now next step is to post the entries. Before that we have to do one thing, we have to check one thing. Okay, for that go to FS00 and enter. Here we have to check the vendor account, same visa. See, again it is balance sheet item, accounts payable and visa limited, control data, it is in INR. Here for in case of vendors we have to give only our input tax allowed. Okay, then okay, then reconciliation accountability is vendor only, sort key is this, and then field status rupees G067, that is reconciliation accounts, then save it. Okay, go back. Now we have to post the entries. The T code is FB60. Okay, here visa, invoice date, then amount, say 10,000, and here we have to give the tax rate. See, whatever you have created the tax rates and all these things, tax code, tax rates, it will shown here. Okay, it see the list. Okay, input. Suppose I'm taking input IGST and click on calculate tax, then purchase account 10,000. Here you have to give code. Okay, tax would be calculated on line item condition. So here, if you are posting multiple line items, so you can choose different tax rates from here. Okay, because it is picked from here. Then simulate. Okay, it is asking for value date. Then simulate. See, Mesa, the posting key is 31 credited and purchase account debit, IGST account debit to Mesa Limited. Error message. Okay. So entries get simulated. Actually, in my system there is some error messages there, so I'm not able to post this. No problem. After simulating this, you just need to post this and entry will get saved. Okay. So I hope you understand how does indirect tax works in SAP. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.